Skill Builder. Add and subtract whole numbers and decimals.
Hey Mom, I am packing up my room to get ready for college. I boxed up my building blocks and thought I would sell them online. The first box has 1,352 blocks. The second box has 2,968 blocks. Can you find the total number of blocks while I go pack up some other things?
Sure, I start by stacking the numbers one on top of the other. Then I add the ones place. If the answer is higher than 9, I will carry it over to the tens place. In the ones place, I add 8 plus 2. The answer is 10. The 0 goes under the ones place, and the 1 is carried over to the tens place. I then add 6 plus 5, and the 1 I carried over. The answer is 12. The 2 goes in the tens place, the 1 carries to the hundreds place. Now I add 3 plus 9 plus the 1 carried over. The answer is 13. The 3 goes in the hundreds place, and I carry the 1 to the thousands place. Now I add the 1 plus 2 plus 1. The answer is 4, for a total of 4,320 blocks.
Mom, what did you find out?
There are 4,320 blocks.
Wow! I am going to sell them to get more money for the laptop I am wanting to buy.
How much more do you have left to save before you can buy the laptop?
Well, the computer cost $649.51. I have saved $325.75.
You need to start subtracting to find what you have left to save.
So I line the numbers up. I use the decimals to help. I move the decimal down to hold the place. I start in the hundredths place. I can't take 5 from 1, so I am going to need to borrow. In elementary school, they taught me if there is more on the floor to go next door. I borrow 10 from the tens place. I cross out the 5 and make it a 4. I add the 10 to the 1 in the hundredths place to make 11. Subtract 5 from 11 to get 6. I move to the tens place. I see there is more on the floor, so I go next door and get 10 more. I cross out the 9, make it an 8. Then I add 10 to 4 and get 14. 14 minus 7 is 7. I move to the ones place. There is more on top, so no need to stop. 8 minus 5 is 3. The tens place has more on the top, no need to stop. 4 minus 2 equals 2. Then the hundreds, 6 minus 3 equals 3. I still need $323.76.
You are about halfway there. Let's get these building blocks posted, and you need to get some more lawn jobs before you leave.
Thanks, Mom. What about a reward of $323.76 for being the best son?
We will have to see.